near Memphis. Cotton country, rice country.
What's it
The most interesting thing is probably the music.
Levon, who came from around there?
Carl Perkins.
Carl Perkins.
Sure. Muddy Waters, king of country music.
Yeah.
Elvis Presley. Johnny Cash. Bo Diddley.
That's kind of the middle of the country, you know, right there. So bluegrass or country music, you know, if it comes down to that area, and if it mixes there with rhythm, and if it dances, then you've got a combination of all those different kinds of music. Country, bluegrass, blues music.
The melting pot.
Show music.
And what's it called then?
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.